The first issue concerning the protection of the legal profession, I am of the view that the General Legal Council is handling that aspect, because the General Legal Council has the system whereby lawyers who have problems with their clients, the clients can report them or petition to the General Legal Council. If they seek redress from the General Legal Council, then the lawyers will be called before the committee, the disciplinary committee, and the matter gone into and steps taken to resolve whatever problem there is. And all lawyers know that there is a disciplinary committee of the General Legal Council. So we all try not to do anything that will make us fall foul of the ethics of the profession. Now, when it comes to the production of quality lawyers, now we can all see the problem as it is unfolding now. Just recently, there was an entry exam into the law school. About 1,820 students wrote the exams, and only I think about 120 passed. Now this problem is coming because we have so many institutions training students to the LLB degree, and then they all have to compete for the little space in the law school. So once they write the exams, there would be a certain, or how would I put it, steps will be taken to curtail the number. So that is how come we are having students failing the exams, which ordinarily shouldn't be the situation. So I would advocate that the training of lawyers in the law school should be decentralized, so that the various universities training the lawyers to the LLB should be made to also train them at the professional level. Then the General Legal Council can be an administrative body that would set up exams for them to write. Those who pass would be issued with their certificates, their qualifying certificates, so that they can practice.
There's a need for every profession to protect the quality of its service that they render to society. So naturally, guidelines come into place. So it is with the legal profession that as they set out to protect their profession, they set out rules and regulations, and one of them is what is guided by the General Legal Council, or the Legal Council, or the legal education body or whatever. Okay, so they set out guidelines as to what. But the current situation now is that there are so many people who intend to enter the profession, and there are so many schools or faculties running legal education or running LLB. And with LLB, you cannot practice as a lawyer. You definitely have to go into the Ghana Law School and do your BL to be called to the bar to practice. So the numbers now, there's a need to expand facilities, and there are two ways of going about it. Either the facilities are expanded at the Ghana Law School, or additional law schools are opened, like opening an additional law school in Kumasi, opening in Takrady or the main cities. Alternatively, accreditation can be given by the General Legal Education, can give accreditation to law faculties in all the universities in Ghana to run the professional courses. And the Central Law School, the main law school, regulates the exams. With that, people will learn in the faculties and go and write independent exams like the way it is done with Institute of Chartered Accountants and other professional bodies. There are so many schools running accounting courses, but at the end of the day, they write the institute's exams, and when they pass, they move on till they get the professional qualification.
Okay, you see, I'm not a legal practitioner, but at least I've followed cases and the performances of some of our lawyers. I think the upcoming legal practitioners or lawyers, I think they should study very well their actions towards studying to become legal practitioners. You see, you must be very, very careful in acquisition of knowledge. You shouldn't be casual. But what I these days I think and I believe that with technology in place, people are very casual in their studies, becoming professionals in all opportunities that they get. Being a lawyer, an engineer, in all professions.